There's nothing like a good night's sleep, which is why keeping your mouth guards clean should be as easy as wearing them. Introducing ZQuiet Clean Foaming Oral Device Cleaner for ZQuiet Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece. With a combination of fresh ingredients, ZQuiet Clean removes 99.9% of grime and odors from your mouthpieces, retainers, snore appliances, and other mouth products, leaving behind only a fresh scent. Simply apply the foaming cleaner to the device, scrub briefly, and rinse. It's that easy. The ZQuiet Foaming Cleanser is conveniently sized, so it's easy to take wherever you go and is TSA compliant for carry-on baggage. Don't worry about the cleanliness of your mouthpiece anymore with ZQuiet Clean Foaming Appliance Cleaner.